Hello beautiful people, a big shout out to my Rari Nation for 100 subscribers, and I know that's not a lot, but this is just the beginning and I'm so grateful, so humble. Like, I love you guys. If you want to be a part of my Rari gang, all you have to do is subscribe, click the bell notification, just mess with your girl. I want to try to upload at least once a week, and if you're coming back, let's get into it. Okay, on this beautiful Sunday, I decided to crimp my Stami Rari custom unit 34, 32, 30, 28. So it's 4 bundles and a 22-inch frontal. If you'd like to purchase, check out my description box, and I'll also be having a Black Friday sale, so check that out as well. And don't leave too soon, because I'm going to show you guys how I did my glueless install towards the end of the video. So check me out. So I previously wore the hair straight, that's why the lace is cut, and the hair is just washed, and I washed it with conditioner and then blow dried it. By the way, do not wash the hair with just conditioner. Use shampoo and conditioner, because the hair was a little stiff with just the conditioner. But me blow drying it, look at how it looks, just blow dried. It's like thebomb.com. And this is raw hair, none of that cheap stuff. Okay. We're gonna start off with crimping the hair, and crimping the hair, you really want to just use a lot of hairspray. And the spray that I'm using is called CB Smooth. It's like spritz mixed with oil sheen, and it's the bomb.com, because I used to use Got To Be spray, and honestly this is way better because it gives it like a real shiny look. And the crimper that I'm using is my Bedhead Hot Tools. It costs $30 at Target, and I used this in my last video. Crimping hair is like pretty obvious. After I spray the CB Smooth, I comb it out, and then I put the hot tool, the crimper, on the hair. And as I'm going down, I hold it there for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds the most, but it's on the highest one, and this crimper is pretty good. And then as I'm going down, I put the hair like a little up, so it could put like a little indent on it. Like, I basically put the hair up, as in, just watch what I'm doing. I'm about near finished crimping, and I'm just going to spray my CB Smooth all over the hair to hold the crimps in place, because I didn't end up putting the wig on till like 2 days later, but it was still the bomb.com. There's 6 braids underneath my cap, and do you see this band? This is the key to a flawless glueless install, because this band is very thick. The thin ones aren't that good. The thick ones are the ones that's going to get the job done. And basically I'm pulling down the ear tabs on each sides of the hairline, and I'm gonna got to be spray it and blow dry on cool heat. It's really not hard, guys, at all. It's so simple, a baby could do it. Now you want to make sure that you're blow drying it on cool heat. Like, I mix it between hot and cold and cool, so you want to like put different variations. The hot just like melts it, and then the cool really like settles it down. And I'm just holding it down. If you want it to last for a week, I would say do 2 rounds, but I'm only gonna do 1 round because I'm not gonna have it in for that long. And like I said, I previously put this on my head already, so I already plucked and did the baby hairs already, and I didn't really want to pluck so much because I'm trying to do a lot with this wig. So I take a little bit more of Gorilla Snot because that's what I use on edges, and I'm just basically putting a little bit more just to like touch it up a little bit, because when I put it on, some of the baby hairs got a little bit messy. And then I'm also going to go back over it with some mousse to soften up the baby hairs. And this basically just softens it up and gives it more of a natural, messy, just like effortlessly baby hairs basically.